Hello, boys and girls! Today, we will talk about teachers. Do you know what teachers do? Let's find out! A teacher is someone who helps children learn at school. They teach lessons about reading, writing, math, and other important subjects. When you have a question, you can ask the teacher. The teacher will help you find the answer. Teachers do more than just teach. Teachers play, help, explore, and create. Teachers can help you learn different things. Music teachers show you how to play an instrument. A ballet teacher can teach you how to dance. You can even learn how to paint a picture from an art teacher. Who is your favorite teacher? Tell us in the comments after the video. It's trivia time! Listen to the questions and choose the correct answer. Question 1. What can you learn from a teacher? How to fix a car. How to read and write. How to train a tiger. That's right! Teachers help students learn how to read and write. Good job! Question 2. Where do teachers work? At a restaurant. At a shopping mall. At a school. Very good! A teacher's job is to help children learn at school. Question 3. Which of these people is not a teacher? Yes! A firefighter is not a teacher. Teachers can help people learn different things, like art and dancing. Great choice! Thanks for watching. Goodbye!
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.